ahead.
This is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub here in West Coast Sports Cards, Federal Way, Washington, doing a box break of 2015-2016 Absolute Basketball. So this box here is a master box, and in each master box, you get 4 mini boxes. Each mini box contains 1 pack with 5 cards, and there's 1 hit per pack. So we're getting 4 hits per master box. So we're gonna get started on this here. Try to get them all open. So these are the types of boxes we're gonna be including in our upcoming Pack Wars
I got a good feeling about this box.
I
like the 4 players in those 4 mini boxes.
This is the first time I've seen this. Do they have, I'm going to ask you, Jesus, do they have other players, or are these typically the 4 you get in each mini box?
Other players, I'm pretty sure.
Other players, huh? Interesting. That's kind of cool. It's almost a collectible box at the same time. Okay, so, all right, so there's our 4 boxes. So, let's get started here. First box. Clear packs. That's the one thing I don't like about that, is clear packs. I don't like clear packs. I don't like a spoiler. All right, so first pack. So this is the new Absolute Basketball cards. We've got DeMarcus Cousins, Plumlee, throwback Gary Payton at a 999, retired.
Yeah.
All right.
Retired. They can't even put Sonics
Steve
up there.
Kerr.
Come on.
Oh, they got it in the back right there.
Okay.
And then it's down here too.
Oh yeah, there we go.
So our first hit is Chris Mullin patch out of 99, number 29 of 99.
Nice.
Old school Golden State Warriors. Box number 2. Box number 2.
At least they put the blank card to cover the
Exactly, yeah. Russell Westbrook starts it off. Ginobili, Monta Ellis. There we go, Porzingis at a 999. Let's see what our hit is on this one. Blake Griffin patch, numbered out of 99, 39 of 99. Blake Griffin. So 2 patches so far, and a Porzingis rookie. Let's get an auto. I was hoping that Griffin was going to be an auto. That'd have been nice.
Oh, that would have been sweet, yeah.
Blake auto. All right, let's see what we got here. So this is pack number 3. DeRozan, LeBron, Reggie Jackson, and this should be our numbered card, James Worthy out of 999. And our hit for this one is auto patch Rashad Vaughn, numbered out of 149, number 86 of 149. I don't know how well you can see that because this card is flashy. So sticker, auto, patch. All right, and our last box, last pack is first card, Beal, Smart, Gasol, Harrell, rookie, numbered at a 999, and our patch. Look at that. Look at that. Tools of the trade, number 4 of 49. Tyus Jones, Timberwolves.
Nice.
There you go, Jordan. Rookie card for my buddy Jordan, big Timberwolves fan. Number 4 of 49, as you can see on the bottom there.
2 parts of the letter there.
Yep, so we got 2 letters there. Tyus Jones. I like this. I like this new Absolute.
Yeah.
I will admit it. I'll give a review right here on our video. It's a nice set. hopefully we can pull more of this tools of the trade and some of the rookie autos here, the auto patches.
With the ticket, they're like season tickets.
Oh yeah, it is. I didn't even catch that before. Good eye. Right on. Well, this is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub. Here was 2015-16 Absolute Basketball.